Hey everybody, happy Thursday, April 23rd. So I just wanted to quick go over expectations for today. So for today we're going to be doing a reading assignment, but along with the reading assignment here, we're also going to be filling in 2 slides of our notes. So if you go to your wave notes from yesterday, so they are right here, you can go back into April 22nd, click into them, open them up. We ended off on our summary here. And now there's slides 10 and 11 afterwards. These slides are part of the lesson review page at the end of the reading. And I want you to have this information in your notes so that you can do well on our waves test. So I left I put the lesson review things in here so that they're easy to find. So when you're using your notes in your test, you can go back, review, and take a look at these things. So slides 10 and 11 here, I want you to fill out along with doing the reading assignment page 6 through 13. So you get that done today, and then you are good to go. Goodbye.